How to use the Pilling Assessment Viewer. Step 1. Turn on the PAV light source using the switch on the right-hand side of the unit and allow the lamp to warm up for 10 minutes before use. This ensures the lamp is illuminating your samples at the industry standard. Step 2. Place the sample to be assessed in the left-hand position and the original or comparison standard in the right-hand position. Note that the PAV unit can accommodate samples still mounted on a modified Martindale specimen head. Step 3. The sample is set at a right angle to the eye and should be seen from a distance of 30 to 50 centimeters, so you can assess your sample according to the relevant standards and requirements. After assessments are complete, switch off the light source to conserve the life of the lamp. If the lamp is switched off for 5 minutes or longer, allow the lamp to warm up for a further 5 to 10 minutes before recommencing assessments. If you'd like to find out more, please get in touch with VeriVide. We or one of our official distributors will be happy to help.